Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're on an app called Panini Blitz. So you might have seen this if you watch MMG, but we're just going to do a quick pack opening to show you guys how it works. So basically you pick your favorite team and definitely create an account. You get an extra 5,000. You're going to get 1,000 every like 4 hours or so. I definitely recommend you go VIP because if we go here, this pack looks really good. This score, obviously I can go not VIP right now. 1 jersey, 2 signatures per pack, 30 cards per pack. So, and that's only 2,000. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty good deals. But let's just hop into this pack opening. I have 4 score of these packs. There's 25 cards in each, and then we're gonna open some on my brother's account. So, see what we're gonna find in these. Okay. Big Man on Campus, Jonathan Allen. Marvin Jones.
Every card I want, even on a
Drive Team, Patriots.
Even on like a video.
Drive Team, Bengals. Jordan Leggett.
Boo, Clemson.
So we're gonna do this, and we're just gonna skip inserts and stuff just to make this quicker. McCaffrey, Corey Davis draft.
Brad, let me make it numbered if it does that.
Brad Kaya, Jonathan Allen, Joe Mixon.
No, these are the Bengals.
Okay.
Are you joking? Another Alabama.
Davis Murray. Okay.
Giants drive team.
Mike Williams.
Corey Davis again. Sean Kaiser.
Ooh,
Michael Irvin.
nice.
Autograph. Sean Watson height.
Samuel?
No.
Yeah.
John.
No. Did you guys?
Ooh, Marcus Allen. Okay.
Okay, so
Yes, it's that.
if you guys see anything you like, definitely tell us in the comments, and we're very open to trading. But let's go ahead and see what he's gonna get.
So anyway, guys, it is Sully's turn, also known as Swiss Beast. Big Man on Campus, Corey Davis. We have Melvin Gordon, 348 speed. Sack Attack, Cliff Averill. Sack Attack, Brian Orakpo. Nathan Peterman. A CJ Beathard autograph. Here we go. This one's good. A Curtis Samuel.
I got that exact same card. Sorry.
Anyway, next. Juju Smith-Schuster. Corey Davis. Ryan Tannehill. Phillip Rivers. Carl Lawson. Sammy Watkins. Ty Montgomery. Yeah, it's my card, isn't it? No. Oh, would you look at that? Kenny Stills. T.Y. Hilton. Josh McCown. Eddie Jackson. Phenomenal athletes. Jim Brown. And is that it? No?
Josh McCown.
Another one. Zach Cunningham. Oh, Vanderbilt. Davis Webb. Jimmy Graham. So here we go. Derek Carr. Yay. Aaron Rodgers. Marvin Jones Jr. Caleb Brantley. I assume this might be the last card.
Oh!
Sean Kaiser autograph. That is nice. CJ.
Well, you got an auto in that pack.
Yeah,
So.
Jacob Tammy. Okay.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go down this app, download this app, and I'll see you guys next time.